Said you only live once, and none ain't shit to play with. And yeah, I make points, no NCAA shit. Keep a closely knit circle, but it is no relay shit. Got back together, made love with the relay switch. Your sex is astronomical, kinda like them spaceships. I love you cause you know a heart is nothing to be played with. It's too tender, it's too fragile. Please tell me how we manage. Some love is like a hurricane, your heart it gets the damage. Started off on the same page, but now it's more like different planets. Was on the narrow, straight and smooth, or how we lose our balance. And everyone makes the last dish, but it's far from average. You held me down and I lost your ass, and now I'm up for the challenge. I did my dirt, you proved your worth, and now I see your talent. She's beautiful and I love her much, so she ride me like a stallion. At the same time, she's a beast with it, so I know that she can handle it. Yeah, so I'm doing this shit, and yeah, I'm gonna stay manic. Yeah, she tied the name on it, so she knows it real. I still slide my dick in so you can know the feel. I just left overdrive and now I'm all on overkill. And if I go an inch deeper, then I know you spill. She said go a little lower, said you know I will. And then I make that pussy leak, I'm talking oil spill. We had all of the lights off, I'm talking man for real. And you never guess what I did. I pleased my girl, I made her feel great. She's feeling so good and she done learned to appreciate her man, cause he does everything that he can for her. I'm talking about myself and I'm just gonna do my dance for her. I'm gonna do the beat it up dance, cause I swear that's what I did. And I'm talking this shit like a grown man and I ain't talking no kid. Shit, y'all can't understand me, cause when I flow I gotta go. And it's off the mind and y'all niggas really don't know about the dope that I'm chasing, that I'm pursuing, that I'm pursuing. I'm going after y'all niggas just really steady losing. I'm headed for the top, I got the time, I got the watch, y'all do not hear me, but I'm in this bitch and I ain't gonna stop, yeah. Until one day I hit my prime. Eventually y'all niggas gonna see me shining, and the ones that don't want me to gonna eventually have to hear me do everything that I do. Now tell me what you want, and tell me what you don't. It don't matter either or, I'm the man. And that is all I'm saying. I'm doing everything I want while you doing what you can to let it go. And let the beat ride. I got your girl, she's all on me, bruh. Now let it go, now let the beat ride. I got your girl, and she's all on my side, and she's all in my ride. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh my God, good shit.